Child custody litigation can be one of the most difficult issues for parents to deal with. My goal today is to give you guidance as to the best way to handle a custody matter. My name is David Wildstein. I'm a partner with Willens, Goldman & Spitzer. I've been handling family law matters and to a great extent custody matters for most of my career. I have developed a wonderful relationship with custody experts in New Jersey that have assisted me in the litigation of these type of matters. When I have a custody case, the first thing I want to do with my client is to review the history of the relationship that each parent had with the child from birth to the present time. The role that each party played in raising the child can be a treasure trove of information that will help in the future. As soon as I'm aware that a custody case is a serious matter, what I do is I give my client the statute that has 14 factors that a court should consider in determining custody. That statute is NJSA 9:2-4. I did another video which amplified the factors and the importance of these factors in a custody case. Be sure to look at that video if you would like more detailed information about the statute. Of those 14 factors, I believe the most important factor, and often neglected factor, are the needs of the child. Which parent fulfills the needs of the child? It seems like a simple question, but very few of our experts properly address it. And I want my client to be ready to address it and to discuss those issues with the expert so the expert can amplify them and reference it in the report. One of the most critical issues in a custody case is when one party alienates the children or child from the other parent. That is a red flag for a judge and may very well turn the tide in terms of the decision that is rendered. A litigant could have 13 of the 14 factors all in their favor, but if it turns out that they've been alienating the child from the other parent, that may end up being the most dominant factor to turn the judge against your client. It has effect on the child and may end up hurting you more than you realize if you do that. Similarly, you don't want to be sending emails or text messages that are out of line, inappropriate, and something that you wouldn't want a judge to read. So overall, the key points that I want you to focus on are the child's best interest, avoid emotional decision-making, gather comprehensive evidence that you can document, work with a qualified lawyer with expertise in this area of law. Create a detailed parenting plan which is required by our court rules. Avoid false accusations and be flexible and realistic. I hope you found this video helpful and you're willing to share it with friends and family that may be going through custody disputes. Thank you for watching.